Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to reveal to you how to rank on YouTube. So the benefit of get higher ranking for your videos on YouTube is you're going to be able to make a lot of views and you're going to be able to get a lot of subscribers as well. So first off, let me show you the proof. So I'm going to open my incognito here and I'm going to head off to YouTube and I'm going to type in this is actually the recent video that have ranked. I have a couple of videos, like 4 or 5 videos I've ranked on YouTube and generating me a lot of views. Okay, so this is the latest one. I'm going to type in Mind Sumo review. Okay, oops, Mind Sumo review. Let's take a look at the video. So this is the number one. This is my video actually. This was uploaded 11 years ago. I'm sorry, 11 months ago. Okay, and this is the latest one, which is just uploaded 5 days ago, and I have ranked for both of this video for this particular search term. Okay, so let's take a look at another one. How to earn $10 a day. I also rank for this particular keyword without investment, if I'm not mistaken. A day without invest online. Okay, so let's take a look at the search result. Okay, this is my video over here, so I'm going to click refresh again. So this was uploaded 1 week ago. Okay, so it has been generating 400, I think at the time of filming this video it has 500 views already. Okay, and I also rank for this particular search term, which is how to earn $10 a day, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's take a look at what is a bit lower. So it is currently at number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now I'm going to reveal to you how I was be able to rank all these keywords and bring me a lot of views for my videos. All right, so if you are excited, and before we jump straight to our content, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash the like button so that I know you like this type of videos, so that I can produce more content similar to this one. Right, so let's jump straight into our content. So this is the video that I showed you just now. Okay, let's take a look at the tag. So this is this is a features by the vidIQ. If you haven't signed up already, I highly recommend you to get it installed for your Google Chrome. It has the plugin for Google Chrome. Okay, so once you get installed, you're going to be able to get access all this data here. So I have ranked for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 search term for the first result. All right, first result on Google, on YouTube. Okay, so this is number one, and let's take a look at this. Is the quite recent video. So this is the video that I showed you just now. I ranked for number 1 for the particular search term, and number 3 for this search term, number 7, number 8, and number 28. Okay, so let's take a look at the recent one, which is the Mind Sumo videos as well. So I've ranked for 3, 4, 3, 9, 4, and etc. And I'm pretty sure this video is also going to rank slightly higher because it is currently at number 3. I'm pretty sure this video also can get at spot number 1 or number 2 in the couple of weeks later. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you how you also can do the exact same thing that I'm doing here. So as you can tell, my channel is not that big. I just have below than 2,000 subscribers. At the time of filming, I have only 1,600 subscribers, but I still be able to rank videos on YouTube. This is very crucial, guys, because we need to have the right mindset, because most people, especially newbie, they may thought that it's very hard to rank on YouTube, but as a matter of fact, if you know how to do it right, it's not impossible, because I've proved to you it is possible to get ranked even though you have a very small YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to determine the keyword that you want to rank. Okay, for example, like the video that I rank, for example, like Mind Sumo. If I were type in Mind Sumo review on YouTube, I'm going to be able to see the stats for the competitor for this keyword, right? So this is the vidIQ dashboard or the vidIQ bar here. So that is why I highly recommend you to get the vidIQ installed on your Google Chrome. I'm going to leave the link on the description below. If you are interested, you can click the link and get installed, right? So what does it mean is once you type any keyword that you want to rank for, you're going to be able to see the volume of the keywords and the competition for the keyword as well. So as you can see, the competition for this keyword is very low. That is the main reason why I was be able to rank this particular keyword, because of the competition is very low, and the volume is pretty good as well. Okay, and if we take a look at the vidIQ keyword here, this is the vidIQ keyword tool. Let's say I'm going to type in this keyword. You're going to be able to see the exact amount of demands for this particular keyword. So this is the keyword that I'm targeting right now. It has almost 2,000 searches every single month, and the competition is very low. All right, it has like 4 level of competition: very low, low, medium, and hard. Right, so the competition is very low, and that is why I try to target this keyword. And let's take a look at another one, which is how to earn $10 per day without investment online. All right, let's take a look at this one over here. So the search volume is almost 1,000, and as you can see, the competition level is very low as well. So if I were copy this one and go to YouTube and I'm search for this one, sorry, a day, oops, I'm going to type in a day here. So you can see the competition level here, it is low. All right, so it is low, and I'm still able to outrank all other as you can tell, I'm currently at number 5 or number 6 if I'm not mistaken, but I was ranked at the number 1 for this particular search term. Okay, so this one. So the reason why is because the competition level is very low. Okay, so that is how you're going to be able to rank for your videos, even though your channel is very small. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through how to do it in the practical way. All right, so first off, you're going to need to have your keywords. Okay, you need to determine what type of keyword that you want to rank, and be sure that the competition level is very low. Okay, so now the first one is, if I would type in mind sumo here, you're going to be able to see the keyword here. All right, so this is the keyword that I want to rank for. So as you can see, number one, the most important thing is you need to have the keyword that you want to rank in your title. So I have one in my title, and I have 1 2 3 4 wait I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 keyword that I want to rank in my description. Okay, this is very important. And then I have another one down here, I guess. Let's take a look at down here. I have another 2 3 in my hashtag. Okay, so this is very important. And then take a look at the text. This is also very crucial. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I have 12 tags that precisely target with the keyword that I want to rank. Okay, and then I want to show you more here, and I also have my file name with the keyword that I want to rank. This is the file name. All right, I mean the file video name. Okay, I have file video name with the mindsumo keywords attached in, and I also have the thumbnail. The file of the thumbnail is actually related to mindsumo as well. Okay, so the idea behind it is you want to let YouTube knows that what is your video is all about. Right, so it is all about that. Right, so once you upload a video on YouTube kind of like they want to figure out what is your video is all about, so that they can serve their audience better. Okay, because if you are recording a mindsumo videos, actually, by the way, mindsumo is something a website that helps people to make money online. Right, so if you are targeting make money online audience, then if you don't put any hint or any clue what is your video is all about, YouTube doesn't know. what type or what audience that they want to serve your video to, okay, and what type of keyword they want to rank your video to, right? So I hope it makes sense to you, okay. That is why you need to clarify what is your video is all about. So this video is about MindSumo website, and then you want to target MindSumo review, MindSumo keywords. Then once people search for MindSumo, your videos is going to pop up at the first page of YouTube, okay. So that is why you need to have all the keywords in your title, the keywords sprinkle out in your throughout your description, in your tags, right? You also have to have your keywords for the hashtag as well, and for your tags, because this is very, very important, because the text features here provided by YouTube itself, because they want to determine what is your video is all about. So it has 500 maximum, so I highly recommend you to maximize your usage of text. All right, so you need to put as much as possible in order to make YouTube understand what your video is all about. And same goes with your file name as well. It kind of like makes a boost for YouTube. It's kind of like an additional value to tell YouTube what is your video is all about, right? So that is everything, okay. That is pretty much it, guys. So you just need to optimize the keyword for in your title, in your description, in your file name, and in your video text as well, okay. Another thing that you need to do is you need to kind of like follow what YouTube instruction here, right? So you need to have at least one card, you need to have one end screen. You can set everything up over here, right? So this is the end screen, this is the card, and you need to have the closed caption, but I don't have it here. But if you can do it, it is much more better, okay. So same goes with all the other two videos that I have ranked for, okay. So if I were type in like earn $10 dollars per day, and you can see here I have a bunch of this keyword throughout my description, right? So this is number one on your title. I have 1 2 3 4 and 5 6, okay. And I also have down here, okay, I don't have it down here, so I have 6 keyword that I want to target throughout my description. And let's take a look at my tags. So I have here 1 2 3, okay. So I have everything set up. I have optimized my title, my description, and my tags. And take a look at my file name as well. I am and named it according to the keyword that I want to target, right? So same goes with this one as well. This one is for the MindSumo. If I would type in MindSumo here, okay, so I have 2 keyword in my title, and I even have more keyword for MindSumo in this video. So I kind of like try to outrank this video. This video was posted like a year ago, if I'm not mistaken. So this one just posted like five days ago. So I want to outrank this video because this video is actually slightly longer. As you can see, the minutes for this video is 11 minutes, and this one is only 8 minutes. So I kind of like wanted to have more views and the longer view duration for this video, right? So that is why I remake this video with of course with some additional value throughout this video as well, okay. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I have 11, and I also have down here 11 12 13 14 15 16 keyword that I want to target in my description, okay. Let's take a look at my tag. So this is all the tag that I have. So I have a bunch, okay, like I don't know, 10 11 12 13 14 15, okay, 15 MindSumo keyword in my tags. And same goes with the file name as well. So guys, that's pretty much it, what you need to do, okay. So you need to be sure to spend sometimes, right? I know that most beginner, they kind of like lazy to write this long description, because you don't want to, you know, I don't know why, maybe you don't know about this, but now I have revealed to you everything. So be sure to spend like a couple of minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, to write at least 200 to 500 long description, and don't forget to sprinkle out your keyword that you want to target throughout your description, okay, because that is really matter, guys. So as you can see, my channel is very small, relatively small, which is below than 2,000 subscribers only, but I still be able to rank all that particular keyword. I'm sorry, my internet here is really slow. By the way, you got the idea, right? So with this ability, let's take a look at how many subscribers that I got from this one video. So by having this video rank on the top search of YouTube, I have 240 additional subscribers, and I have like 13,000 views already for this particular video. And I have another video that ranked on the top search as well. Let me show you that video. Wait, I think it is somewhere. Let me take a look. I have like 30,000 if I'm not mistaken for that particular video, and it has been posted like a year ago. Let me show you that video. Okay, this is the one, right? So this is also the video that has a very high rank on YouTube. Okay, it has 35,000 views, and let's take a look at how many subscribers I got from this one particular video. So I have 455 additional subscribers for this particular video. So that is the benefit of have your video rank on YouTube, right? So you have more views. More views means more subscribers. More views, more subscribers means that you're going to be able to make more money if you have any affiliate program or any product that you want to sell associate with that videos. All right, so let's take a look at the detail. I'm going to show you the tags and everything as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the tag here. So I have a couple of keyword rank for number 3, number 4, number 8, number 10, number 11, and number 30. So all these keywords that rank on YouTube bring me a lot of views and a lot of subscribers already. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope the most important thing is you got some value throughout my sharing here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video. So guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. See you in my next video. Bye bye.